So let me show you how to check the serial number and also the IMEI number of your Galaxy Watch 8. So you can go into settings. So swipe down on the watch and tap on settings. Now on the settings page, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and you should see about watch. And if you tap on that and scroll under about watch, you should see the serial number of your watch. Now, if you want more information, you can actually use the Galaxy wearable app. So if you go to the app and then go to watch settings and then scroll all the way down to about watch, tap on that. You can even see the serial number. You can see how much space you have, the model name, and some more information there. So that is basically how to check the serial number of your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. Thanks for watching and good luck.